Hi guys and gals, welcome to T.A.B. Videos. So glad you stopped by. It's a cold wintry day here today, but here the last couple, 2 or 3 weeks, I did a couple scenes or a couple videos on take it to the range. Well, with the dagger, on the first video, I had 3 that had double feeds. I thought maybe it just needed good cleaning. So I took it home and cleaned it. Brought it out, I don't know, a week or so later, and I had another 1 or 2 double feeds. So I'm thinking maybe it's a mag, or it could be my 124 truncated cone bullet. So we're here in the backyard with a couple different mags, plus the one that's in question. At first we're going to use 2 that I just want to see if they work. Hope this brass catcher catches this brass. I don't have to chase this stuff in the snow. Okay, those all fired with that magazine. Now we're going to try the other one. And we caught a few of them anyway. Well, maybe this is a bad magazine. Okay, let's give this a whirl here. Maybe it's just me on that time. That just didn't lock back. Okay, this is the one I suspected. I think that was me on that first one because of that brass catcher. Well, this was the one I had double feeds on. That didn't lock back on that one, but they all fired. I don't know, maybe I was just me limp-wristed it or something, but I went through 25, 26 rounds here and they all worked. I was thinking maybe it was this magazine, but must not have been, or at least this time. Well, anyway, at least they're working. That's the important thing. If you like videos like this, hit that like, subscribe, and bell notification. Of course, appreciate a share. Comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. God bless America and our armed forces, past and present.